Noise does the cat make? Avery, what kind of noise does cat make? What does it make? How's it go? What does the cat say?
Meow.
Yeah. And what is this? What is it though? What kind of animal is that? What kind of animal is that? Is it doggy? What kind of animal is this? Animal. Hey, Avery. What is this? Who is this?
Tiger.
Tiger. And what kind of what kind of noise does tiger make? And who's this?
Monkey.
And what kind of noise does the monkey make? Ooh, ooh, ooh. And what kind of noise is, what is this? What is this?
Papa.
Rabbit. What does the rabbit say?
Meow.
No, the rabbit doesn't say meow. He says, what noise does the frog make? No. Ribbit. You say ribbit. Ribbit. What kind of noise does the rooster make? Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Avery, what kind of noise does a pig make? What kind of noise does a cow make? Yeah, good job.
What kind of noise does the horsey make? That's really good. What kind of noise does the donkey make again? Woof. Woof. What kind of noise does the kitty make? What kind of noise does the frog make?
No.
What kind of noise does the frog make?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Ribbit. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. What kind of noise does the rooster make?